Your TikTok stuck at 200 views and 1 like? Even though you spend hours filming, lightning and editing. I know how frustrating it is, but buying fake bot likes doesn't lead to perfect results. It might get your account shadow banned or permanently locked. So how you can do to boost your TikTok likes? Here are your 7 tips. First, let's talk about the most common shortcut, platforms like Like4like, Add Me Fast, or You Like Hits. These are essentially marketplaces where you like someone's video to earn points, then spend those points to get likes back. It's free, but it's double-edged sword. These are ghost likes. These users don't care about your content, they're just farming points. If you get 1,000 likes but your average watch time is only 2 seconds, TikTok's AI flags your video as low quality and stop promoting your video. Method number 2 is where the real growth happens, TikTok SEO. TikTok isn't just a scrolling app anymore, it's a massive search engine. When your video solves a specific problem someone is searching for, the like is almost guaranteed because you provided immediate value. Search-driven likes are high quality. They come with longer watch times and higher save rates, which tells the algorithm, hey, this video is helpful. Push it to more people. TikTok will scan 3 things. Make sure your primary keyword is in all 3 places, your captions, the text overlays on your screen, and your actual speech, via auto captions. Content is king, and I think it's true for TikTok. No amount of tricks can save bad content. To get likes, you need people to actually stay. Use the hook value CTA formula. The hook, the first 3 seconds must be high energy. Instead of saying, today I'll show you how to check proxies, try, stop using dead proxies. Use these 5 checkers instead. The value, cut the fluff. TikTok is a short-form platform. Solve the problem fast. The CTA, call to action, never assume people will like the video. Remind them. A simple save this for later or double tap if this helped significantly boosts your engagement metrics. And the 4th tips, similar to exchange sites, but safer, Facebook or Telegram engagement groups. These are real creators supporting each other. It's safer because the accounts are real humans, but the same rule applies, don't overdo it. If you only get likes from the same 20 people every day, the AI gets confused about who your actual target audience is. Use this just to jumpstart a new post. And don't wait for the FYP, For You page, to find you. Take your video to where your audience already lives. If you're in the home decor niche, share your TikTok in cooking or DIY subreddits or Facebook groups. Don't just spam the link. Write a helpful post and say, I made a quick visual guide on this over here if you're interested. External traffic from real users is a huge green flag for the TikTok algorithm. One pro tip: you should know that music drives TikTok. Use the TikTok Creative Center to find songs that are on an upward trend. If you're doing a voiceover or a vlog, you can still use a trending song. Select the song, then turn the volume down to 3% or 5%. The system still tags your video with that trending audio, giving you the algorithm boost without distracting from your voice. Finally, use the reply with video feature. When someone asks a great question in your comments, don't just type a reply, record a video response. This creates an engagement loop. The original commenter gets a notification and will likely like the new video, and new viewers will be curious to see the original video that started the conversation. In short, 80% of your success depends on the content itself. You're playing on TikTok's field, and their goal is to keep users on the app. If your content is boring, no hack in the world will save you. I hope these strategies help you break out of that low view jail. Growth takes time, so be patient and stay consistent. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm dropping more deep dives into TikTok and affiliate marketing every week.